Hello, RPG Don here. Welcome back to another episode of our custom class series. Today's class will be the Explosives Specialist. First, we'll go to our database cogwheel, types, make 2 new weapon types, bomb case, and bomb belt. We'll make a new skill type, explosives. Once this is done, we can go to our items. We will make 8 bombs, a frag, a smoke bomb, semtex, shrapnel, claymore, Molotov cocktail, stun bomb, and the landmine. You will give them all names, images, and descriptions, and make sure they're all set to no consumable. Once we have that, we can go to our skills. Each of our skills will cost a different type of bomb. To give our skills the cost of a bomb, we'll need a few plugins. We will go to this site, plugins, scroll down to our skill plugins, click on our skill core, and click on skill cost items. You will click the English Dropbox or the download that suits you best, then download it and direct download to your computer. Once you have both of them downloaded, you will go back to your game, open folder, JS, plugins, and move them both here. You will then go to your plugin manager and make sure you activate your skill core plugin and your skill cost items plugin. Make sure your skill cost item plugin is below your skill core plugin. Once we have that done, we can go back to our database cogwheel and our skills. We'll go to our level 1 skill, give it a name, image, description, skill type explosives, scope all enemies, occasion battle screen, message, no weapon, HP damage, our damage formula, our variance, and yes to critical hits, and then this note tag. The 22 represents the row that your item is in. Since our frag is a 20-second item, we'll go back to our skills and make sure that the number to the right of item is 22. The 1 is how many of that item you will use every time you use this skill, in our case 1. Once this is done, we can go to our next skill, smoke bomb. We'll give it a name, an image, a description, skill type explosives, scope all enemies, occasion battle screen, message, weapon type bomb belt, HP damage, our formula, variance, critical hits, our note tag, but a 23 because our smoke bomb is in the 23rd item slot. This skill has a 25% chance to blind, so we'll double click a row, state, add state, choose blind, and 25%. Once this is done, we can move on to semtex. We give this skill a name, an image, a description, skill type explosive, scope all enemies, occasion battle screen, message, weapon type bomb case, HP damage, our formula, variance, yes to critical hits, and our note tag with the correct item slot. Apply when you're ready, and then move on to shrapnel. Name, image, description, skill type explosive, scope all enemies, occasion battle screen, message, weapon type bomb belt, HP damage, variance, formula, yes to critical hits, the note tag with the correct item slot, and our wound state. We will need to create our wound state. We'll go to our states, make a slot for wound, name it wound, give an image, SV motion abnormal, removal condition auto removal timing turn end, 1 through 2, our messages, an EX parameter HP regeneration minus 10%. To do this, we will double click a row, parameter, EX parameter, HP regeneration, then minus 10. Click OK, apply, back to our skill, double click a row, state, add state, wound, 50%. Once this is done, we'll move on to our claymore, give it a name, an image, a description, skill type explosives, scope all enemies, occasion battle screen, message, weapon type bomb case, our note tag, HP damage, our formula, variance, and yes to critical hits. Apply, then go to Molotov cocktail. We'll give it a name, an image, a description, explosive, scope all enemies, occasion battle screen, message, no weapon type, HP damage, our description, variance and critical hits, our note tag, and a 75% chance to burn. We'll need to make our burn, going onto our states tab, a new spot for burn, name, image, SV motion abnormal, auto removal timing turn end, 2 through 3, our messages, EX parameter HP regeneration minus 5%, by double clicking our row, parameter, EX parameter, HP regeneration, and minus 5. Once this is done, we can apply, back to our skills, double click our row, state, add state, burn, and 75%. Onto our first level 5 skill, stun bomb. We'll give it a name, an image, description, skill type explosive, scope all enemies, occasion battle screen, a message, weapon type bomb belt, HP damage, our formula, variance, critical hits, and add state stun. This skill will always stun the enemy. We'll make our stun, going back to our state step, make a row for stun, give it a name, a restriction, cannot move, an image, SV motion abnormal, auto removal timing turn end, 1 through 2, in our messages. We'll apply, then go back to our skills, back to stun bomb, double click a row, state, add state, stun, and 100%. Our final skill, landmines. We'll give it a name, an image, description, skill type explosives, scope all enemies, occasion battle screen, message, required weapon bomb case, our note, HP damage, our formula, our variance, and our critical hits. Once all this is done, apply, head over to weapons, make your 2 new weapons, bomb case and bomb belt, and give them their designated weapon type, bomb belt to bomb belt and bomb case to bomb case. After you give it an image and description, and whatever parameters you would like, we can go on to our class. We will make our class Explosive Specialist, change the skill type to Explosives by right-clicking, editing, skill, and change the skill to Explosives. We'll edit the weapon to be bomb case by right-click, edit, equip weapon and bomb case, then double-click a row to add a new weapon, equip weapon, and bomb belt. Once this is done, we can add each skill at the appropriate level by double-clicking a row, giving it a level, and choosing our new skills. Once we have all this done, we can apply and OK. Testing our game, I will pick up the landmine that I put down, look for an encounter, click explosives, and see all our new skills. We can see how many of the ammunition we need. Next to it, to the far right, the image of the landmine. The grayed out skills can't be used because we don't have the correct ammo, but landmines can be used because we have one. With all that done, you have your Explosive Specialist. Please like and subscribe to show your support. If you have any ideas of a class I should make, please leave a comment about it. Gain access to our private Facebook page by supporting us on Patreon. Thank you for watching. See you on the next video.